Hello everyone. So today I'll be introducing you to DevSecOps testing tools and principles. So testing tools and principle in DevSecOps involve integrating security testing into the CI/CD lifecycle. That is a normal pipeline, and then the delivery pipelines also. So these tools help you to automate security testing such as static code analysis, vulnerability scanning, penetration testing, and to identify and remediate the security issues early in the software development lifecycle process. So the principle emphasize collaboration between the development team as well as security team, operation teams, DevOps teams, and various other teams involved, which helps to secure your application and helps you to deliver the software in a reliable and secure way. So the objective here is to move as left or shift left as possible. So the basic tools which we can integrate here, or the principles which can apply in the in DevOps pipeline to make it DevSecOps is it is again based on the organization needs and how you want to tighten the security, and there should be a balance between the release and the release cycle as well as the security. So that if you put more of the security part, it may hamper your development and it may delay the releases. So we need to find a balance between that and just moderately select whatever is crucial for your organization or application. Some of the tools which we'll be going through in the upcoming lectures are SAST, DAST, SCA, and then penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, security principles, RASP.